Hey guys, Stephen Hamby here with Pro PDR of Georgia. Just going to show you a quick dent repair we're going to do on this 2017 Aston Martin DB11. Has a dent just underneath the headlight, kind of in a funky spot. Looks like maybe a rock flew up and hit it or something like that. So anyway, we're going to show you the damage and then show you how we're going to fix this today with paintless dent repair. Thanks for watching. So looking right here at the right side headlight, you can see there's a quarter size dent just underneath it on the hood. So we are going to open the door, pop the hood, and see if we can gain access to the back side of the metal to begin reshaping the dent. So you can see there's a hole already in the back side of the metal there, kind of a factory access hole. And we're gonna use that to go in and get right to the back side of the dent and slowly start reshaping the metal. We have a heat gun set up to keep that paint nice and warm so that it doesn't crack. And you can see in the reflection of our light, we're just slowly, methodically reshaping the metal until we get it completely out like it never was damaged. So here are the finished results of the repair. It's perfect, like it never happened. And of course, with a paintless repair, the original paint is not harmed or altered in any kind of way. If you'd like to reach out to us, you can find us online at dentrepairgeorgia.com. Thanks for watching.